Hello everyone. Today we will learn a new concept that is corrosion. Corrosion is a process of slow destruction of metals, or we can also define it is a process of eating up of metals by the reaction of some atmospheric gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapors with metals. Hence, for corrosion of any metals, there are some conditions that are presence of vapors, presence of gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide, and last one is presence of reactive metal. If these all conditions are available, only then metal undergo formation of corrosion. You must observe the corrosion of iron in your daily life. Let us take an example of corrosion of iron. Corrosion of iron is also known as rusting. When iron particles are exposed to moist air, they get coated with brown color layer which is known as rust. The chemical formula of the rust is hydrated iron 3 oxide, and it is formed when iron reacts with oxygen in the presence of moist air. The rusting of the iron is an oxidation process because it involves addition of oxygen. All the corrosion process are oxidation process because it take place in the presence of oxygen, or in all the processes of corrosion always addition of oxygen will take place. Next example of corrosion is silver metal. In case of silver, it loses its luster due to formation of black colored silver sulfide layer on its surface. How can this occur? Take in the form of the chemical reaction. When silver reacts with oxygen in the presence of hydrogen sulfide, it forms silver sulfide along with water. The black color layer on the silver metal is due to formation of silver sulfide, which is the corrosion of silver. It is also an oxidation process because in this process addition of oxygen take place, or this process is also taking place in the presence of oxygen. Next example of corrosion is copper metal. In corrosion of copper, copper particles get exposed to moist air in the presence of carbon dioxide, due to which they get coated with green layer substance which is the formation of basic copper carbonate, due to which its appearance is greenish. In this example, you see the Statue of Liberty, which is made up of copper metal. Its color changes to green due to formation of the basic copper carbonate. The formula of the basic copper carbonate is CuCO3 CuOH twice. Due to formation of this compound or this chemical formula, its color appears greenish. The harmful effects of corrosion are: it reduced the strength of metal, as there is a very thin layer is formed on the surface of metal, due to which it is very weakens on the surface. Therefore, it reduces its strength. Next harmful effect is it decreased the weight of the metal. Due to formation of the corroded layer on the surface of metal, every metal that undergo corrosion decreases its weight. And the next effect is metal lost its surface property. Surface property means the appearance of the metal. A corroded metal always lost its shining. You must observe that when you brought utensils or other metals, they are shining in the starting, but day by day they lost their shining due to formation of the corrosion. These are some harmful effect of the corrosion that we must observe in our daily life. How do we prevent metals from corrosion? There are some processes by which we can prevent metals from corrosion. The first method is painting. By applying paint on the iron articles, we can prevent iron articles from corrosion. Next process is galvanization. Galvanization is a process of coating of zinc metal over steel or iron. In this process, we coated zinc metal over steel or iron because zinc is less reactive than steel or iron and it does not corrode easily. Next process is electroplating. Electroplating is also a process of plating a superior metal or less reactive metal over inferior metal or more reactive metal, as less reactive metal don't corrode easily. For example, on the ornaments, we plated gold metal over silver metal because gold is less reactive than silver. Therefore, we coating we are coating gold metal over silver metal. And the last process is alloying. Alloying means by mixing two or more metals, we decrease the reactivity of the metals so that they don't corrode easily by making their alloy.